Yo guys, we got another Air Jordan 1 in. This happens to be an early pair just for the vintage squad. Let's go ahead and peel these joints open and see what these things hitting for. Stay tuned, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video from your boy, The Vintage. It is always greatly appreciated, man. If you guys are new right now, you already know what I need you to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And please leave a huge like on today's video. I'm gonna try to keep bringing you guys some consistent content, you know, showing you guys what you might be interested in, letting you guys know about restock, shock drops, you know, all that good stuff to help you guys get these pairs for retail. We finally over the Air Jordan 1 UNC drop. I'm grabbing real quick. Air Jordan 1 UNCs, one for the ages, you know what I'm saying? I really love this pair. I actually hit on another pair on the SNKRS app, so you guys will be seeing an unboxing very soon of the double up pair. If you guys have not already, you know, told me down below in the comment section, did you get a W on these joints or did you take a huge L? But that's neither here nor there, man. Let's go ahead and get into this early look of a pair of crispy Air Jordan 1s, man. Let's get right into it. All right, man, so here we have them. If you guys remember a couple of days ago, or maybe last week, I think it was either early last week or like middle of the week, we got a random shock drop exclusive action. It was super weird because nobody expected it. Nobody was talking about it. And I think that's all due to the fact that people are not looking for this early Air Jordan 1. Like, I don't think people really gonna be, you know, sought after for them. People probably gonna be passing on these joints. It's gonna be another one of those Air Jordan 1s that nobody is talking about. And it's kind of sad. So I haven't seen them in hand yet. I actually was tempted to look at them. I said, you know what? Let's put the box back on, put the lid back on. Let's get this, you know, raw initial reaction, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, black, dark powder blue, and gem red. And if you guys know that colorway, you know exactly which Air Jordan 1s these are right here. So let's go ahead, flip the top open. Let's go ahead and get into these joints in 3, 2, 1, and bam, man, there we have them, the Air Jordan 1 Low UNC to Chicago's, man. I'm gonna put this box to the side real quick. That was way too much tissue paper around the sneakers. But here you have them, man. Check them out. Air Jordan 1 UNC Chicago Lows. If you guys don't know, a couple years back, they actually released a hot top version of this exact pair. And we actually do have them right here. It's a pair that did not sell. I always, you know, like the UNC Chicago theme. So now we have the hot top version of UNC Chicago's, and we have the low top pair. And all first rip, bro, just for me feeling both the sneakers, bruh. Y'all don't know, these came with some great leather quality on these joints. And even the low top version, you guys probably seen the B-roll, it has some really nice plush leather going all the way around the sneaker, man. And a lot of people do love lows over the highs, you feel me? Depending on the colorway, some people probably think that it's too much, you know, UNC on the back. But with a low top version, you kind of get a fair amount, you know what I'm saying? Less than, you know, the hot top version with these lows right here, man. I really love them. But like I said, that leather quality is straight crazy on these guys right here. I ain't gonna cap with y'all. So Jordan Brand definitely heating it up with the Air Jordan 1 lows. Like I said, we do have the UNC Chicago's dropping here shortly, along with the Air Jordan 1 low black toes. Now, if I had to choose which one, you guys already know the answer, I ain't gotta say it. But these beauties right here is something I've been eyeing for literally the entire year. They kept pushing it back. And now we got an official release date of August 4th. Like I keep telling y'all for like the last 2 weeks, stay tuned for the review on feed. It is coming very shortly, man. So let's go ahead and check SNKRS app real quick just to check the official, you know, release date of these joints right here. I think it's like in a couple of days. It's actually Wednesday, bro. They are dropping Wednesday. You guys already see the purchase on that joint right there. Hit on the exclusive access they did drop. So these will be dropping on Wednesday. $140 is a retail tag. And I want to know, bro. I really want to know if you guys are going to be going after these. It's going to be a pass. It's going to be a, you know, one of those must cops for you guys this year. Another solid Air Jordan 1 low in my opinion. UNC Chicago, I loved, like I said, the hot top version. Had a Parisa on there, and that was a women's exclusive as well. And we had to double back and get the low top version. Why? Who knows, bro? We just love sneakers. We just spend money ridiculously. And now we have another pair of the same shoe, but in a low top version, man. So let me know down below in the comment section. Like I said, I'm very, very interested in knowing, like, are you going for these, or is it gonna be an easy pass? What y'all think the resale gonna look like? What you think the hype gonna look like? I don't think people care about the resale value no more. They just care about like the hypeness of the sneaker. I give you a prime example, Air Jordan 1 UNC toes. Like the resale was not crazy on them, but you guys seen the hype, seen the demand. Like everybody wanted a pair out of the woodworks. Like out of nowhere, everybody wanted the UNC toes. And now y'all seen it sold out everywhere. And there's a lot of people that, you know, gotta pay that resale tag, even though it's not a crazy amount. Like, you know what I'm saying? So the resale isn't that crazy, but the hype was really high for the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s. So you also get an extra set of laces in these. I did not even peep that. You get an extra set of red laces. Me personally, I will be keeping the black laces in there like I did with, you know, the hot top version. The red is a little too much. And I don't think the hot top version came with extra laces. It might have, I just don't even know where the box is at, somewhere in storage. But they do get you some extra red laces in the low top version. You know, you get the same exact hang tag right here with the Nike Air in there. Nice quality right here as well. And then on both sneakers, you get different insoles. So on the right shoe, you get a red insole, as you guys can see. And on the left pair, you get that UNC baby blue on these joints. I'll probably drop that on feet tomorrow. I'll put a little portion of on feet in this video, just to give you guys a little spoiler for what is to come. Real quick before I let you guys go, I got a quick question, man. So we got 3 crazy, you know, Air Jordan 1s. 2 have dropped this summer so far. We still waiting on, like I said, these and the black toe lows. But which ones y'all rocking out with the most as far as this summer 2023? If I had to choose any one, man, it's a really tough battle between the UNC toes and the black toes as far as like the summer aesthetics. But man, you gotta think, they put both of these colorways, you know what I'm saying, in a sense, on these UNC Chicago. So it's pretty tough. But if I had to give it one choice, like one final decision, I think it'll have to be the UNC toes, just because you got that nice, vibrant UNC baby blue all around the sneaker, man. But I want to get you guys' thoughts and opinions right now down below in the comment section. Appreciate everybody for tapping in. Appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel. Please drop them comments. Are you going after these? It's gonna be one of Jordan 1 lows. That's it. Yeah, I think it has been a lot of Air Jordan 1s sitting on the SNKRS app. But these right here, I don't know what they're gonna do, because I don't see a lot of people talking about them. They might sell out, they might sit. Hey, who knows? But I wanted to get you guys' thoughts and opinions over these joints right now. Again, man, sub up, hit the notification bell. Please give a huge like. That really helps the channel grow. More content on the way. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.